back to my channel. My name is Taiska Jumbo. I talk about my natural hair, I talk about writing, I talk about books. This morning, as you can tell, my hair is wet. I just washed it in the shower, and I only have a few minutes before I need to leave for church this morning, so I want to blow dry my locks since they're wet. It takes about 5 minutes to get them mostly dry, so I'm going to show you what I do. Okay, now I'm going to take some heat protectant, and honestly I don't know if this is really necessary, but I do it anyway. When I had loose natural hair, when I had relaxed hair, I would always use a heat protectant spray. And now I'm just going to go section by section. I've got my blow dryer. I'm going to put it on medium heat and high fan. That's it. So they're mostly dry now. They're still a little bit damp, but I don't really mind that. I just wanted the roots dry. And so this is what my locks look like when they're blow dried. They're stretched out a bit, obviously. So I might, if I decide to wear them down, I'll spray them a little bit with water so they kind of shrink a little bit more and get their fullness back. But this is it. Very simple, no damage, really easy. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and share. Hit the bell so you get notifications when I post new videos, which I'm doing daily for a while. I have a goal. I've set myself a challenge, so make sure you're getting notified when I'm releasing videos, and let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see. Have a great day.